Hello, this is Dhruvi, and I am a 21-year-old figuring out life. I basically am a BTech student with more interest in non BTech things, so here I am figuring out stuff. Today, I'll be answering most of the basic questions needed for Today I'll be answering most of the basic questions needed for content creation, and this is an unscripted video. I'll be saying everything directly on the camera. The first question is, what was the moment you finally said I am actually doing this? So I am pretty basically a BTech student with good grades, but I took a minor class, social media marketing, and that class enlightened me. I wanted my social media presence, so I thought I am doing this. This is my thing. I love talking, and I love camera, and I love stage. So why not combine all of them and talk? So that basically is what motivated me to start content creation. What is one thing someone told me before starting content creation? So basically there are a lot of things I wish someone told me before starting content creation, but there's one thing which is very important, is not to compare. Because when you compare yourself while starting content creation, you lag behind. उसने भी मेरे साथ शुरू किया, बट उसके ज़्यादा व्यूज़ आए, उसको कोलैब मिल गया, उसको ये मिल गया, उसको वो मिल गया. Let them be themselves and let you be you. Because when you start something, you start it out of learning, out of curiosity, and not out of greed maybe. So yes, this is something that someone would told me before, was not to compare. Because eventually in my starting initial days I did, but now I am at that stage that I started enjoying content creation. I started loving talking to camera. I started doing everything I'm doing right now, setting up a tripod or talking to the camera or talking to the mic. Even charging my mic feels very exciting to me. So that's it. Now I started enjoying the process instead of greed maybe. So yes. Do I need expensive equipment to start a YouTube channel? No. You need not need any expensive equipment to start content creation. I have a phone. I film it with my phone. I film it with my friend's phone. I don't think you need an expensive stuff. Yeah, when you grow, you have to invest in it. But I don't think you need an expensive camera or expensive stuff just to start content creation. Open your phone, open that camera, talk to it, because no one cares the quality. In fact, Instagram is pushing low quality videos right now. Yes, just start it. Stop with the camera and fancy stuff. I got this mic in 800 because my niche was something to talk on camera. So yes, I got this mic, but I don't think a heavy investment is needed to start content creation. What if I am not confident on camera? Will that hurt my channel? No. Being not confident on camera is not going to hurt your channel. There are a lot of faceless channels. People say that they are underconfident, they can't speak on camera. I am sitting in basically a public place with a lot of people around me. They are staring at me. I don't think being confident is a necessity. It can be an asset, but not definitely a necessary. To all my underconfident girlies and boys out there, it is not necessary. Be underconfident in post. No one's going to care. Because stuttering is a part of you, being you. I am stuttering. This is an unscripted video. I am stuttering. I am blabbering. I am speaking a lot of weird stuff. I am looking here and there. I am not able to focus on the camera. A lot of errors I am also doing. I am also not perfect. So no one is perfect. Errors are a part of being you. AI has taken over the error. AI has taken over the world, so it is perfect. We are not perfect, and we need not be perfect. Yeah, be you. Should I script my videos or talk freely? This is a very subjective question. If you're making a video which needs proper information, which has something educational in it, yes, you need the script. You have to jot down all the important points necessary. But if you are making a question and answer video, if you are making a personal experience video, if you have a lifestyle niche, then I don't think it is necessary to script it down. Just write the main points which you need to tell people. I don't think it is so important to scriptify everything. Talk to the camera. Be your own person. It is very important to be your own self. So yeah, don't script it down. Don't lecturize your own opinions. Just talk to that camera. It is going to help you a lot. How do I stay consistent without burning out? This is a very important question because currently I have a YouTube channel, 2 Instagram accounts, one with content creation information and another with the challenge where I'm going to post for 347 days. So yes, burning out is a very important part of content creation process, and so yes, burning out is a part of the process. But how I manage it is on weekends I write the script and all the plans. I also write what angles I want my particular thing to be filmed in, so that in the end it gets easy to film it, because when you have everything ready in hand, it gets so easy to film. So yeah, just note down everything on the weekends and alternate days use the script and film it. Being consistent is not tough on Instagram or YouTube because it doesn't ask for much. So being consistent is not the very much big problem. But yes, if you are taking up challenges like me, you might burn out, but it's fun. What's gaining good things? What is the point of gaining good things without burning out, without having issues? So yeah, why do most creators quit, and how do you push through the early stages when nothing seems to be working? A lot of creators tend to quit because they are not growing. I also started a YouTube. I started. So a lot of creators quit, according to me, is because they don't get the reach. And honestly, if I talk about me, I started an Instagram account and it is not growing. It is not gaining views. It is not gaining any popularity. But people still are watching it. It doesn't have so many views. I still post it. I feel like it's me. I feel like what I'm doing on that channel is me being real. Talking to camera is me being real. So yeah, a lot of creators quit because they can't do it or they're not getting good views. And how I push myself is I just push myself basically. So I just keep on going. I feel like someday I'll grow. I know someday I'll grow, and I'm manifesting it. Someday I will definitely grow, and I'll be watching this video smiling at me that yes, I made it. So this is all. In my last video I did say that comment down important topics if you don't understand any, but none of you guys commented. So that is why I presumed the questions you might have. So that was it. That was all the questions I wanted to answer. I'll be coming with further questions and topics of explanation. Till then, subscribe my channel. Bye.